Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be making some shrimp fritters. It's like the saltfish ones, but I'll be using shrimp. I've already cut everything up and measured everything out. I'll leave the measurements in the description box below. So here I've got my shrimp. We've got our fresh seasoning, so we've got scallion, white onion, red and green pepper, fresh thyme, minced garlic, hot pepper, 1 pimento or seasoned pepper. We left back some of the green bits of scallion for garnish. Here we've got our seasoning for our shrimp. So I've got paprika, some ground pimento, onion and garlic granules, complete seasoning and Maggi chicken seasoning. First we're going to start off, we're going to rough chop our shrimp. I've already washed my shrimp with some distilled vinegar. We're just going to rough chop these. You can also put them in the food processor. I'm not going to put them in the food processor like when I do my burgers. I'm going to be doing these flat. So I want them to have quite a bit of texture with the seasonings and the shrimp. That looks good, guys. Guys, that's our chopped shrimp. We're going to add in our powdered seasoning just to season our shrimp. Unlike the saltfish, this doesn't have any salt to it. We're just going to add some flavor to our shrimp. We've got our glass bowl, so we're going to add all of our fresh seasoning. Going to add water, some black pepper and some salt. To this we're going to add in our baking powder and flour. Add in our shrimp. We're going to let that sit for about a minute, and then we'll go and put our oil on. We're going to fry these on medium-low heat until they're golden brown. In the next clip, we'll go and fry these up. Guys, our oil is just heating up. Got a baking sheet, then I put a cooling rack on top and also 1 sheet of paper towel. That's for when our fritters have finished frying. This is our batter. Just gonna spoon in the batter. We're gonna fry these until they're golden on each side. Shouldn't take too long, maybe a few minutes on each side. These are looking good already. Just gonna use a fork to flip them. Okay guys, these can come out, I think. I'm just gonna, turn them back over. Okay guys, we're gonna put these on our cooling rack to cool. We're gonna put these in the oven as well, just to keep warm while we fry the others up. These don't have to be perfect. They all won't be the same shape or size. You can make these whatever size you want. I'm just going to turn our last few. And I'm turning them. I try to dig through the fritter just so that they don't drop and splash. Our last final 4. Just gonna take these off. Let them drain a little bit, and then I will put them on the cooling rack with the others. Okay guys, that's all of our fritters. So our fritters are done frying. Look how good these look. I just have them on a cooling rack. Just gonna put on our scallion. Let's do a close-up. There you have it guys, my recipe for shrimp fritters. You can add as much pepper as you want. If you don't like pepper, you can not add any. It's all up to you. So let's just see what they look like on the inside. They are nice and fluffy and moist. They're not too oily. Don't forget to chop your fresh veggies fine. You can do it in a food processor if you want, but I wanted mine to have a lot of color and texture to them. As you can see the peppers, the scallions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!